Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama on Twos. So we have a little small dilemma, you guys. Yesterday was taking the bikes out to go for a quick ride with my husband, and lo and behold, my check engine light is on. It's also about time for oil change. I'm about 500 miles away from an oil change, so we did call the Harley dealer in South Carolina, Blackjack Harley, and we're going to get ready to take the bikes down there so we can go ahead and get the oil change and also get a diagnosis to see what's going on with it. So stay tuned, you guys. So good news, somehow it was just something that got disconnected and they were able to go ahead and connect it back. So now we're just waiting on our 5,000 mile service to get done, and then we can hit the road again. We're enjoying some boba and some ice cream. But yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, welcome back to Mama on Twos. We finally made it back home safely, and thank God for that. It was a really fun and cool ride today, so I'm just sitting outside just trying to soak up the sun and a little bit of shade, and just enjoy the day and my day off of work. You know how that goes. But I wanted to show you guys really quick the paperwork here, the second event. The resolution was it was unplugged, or it came loose, so they did go ahead and hook that back together. They also did a rear and front brake flush. I was noticing my back brakes was squealing on the way home. I did not notice that, so hopefully that helps with that situation. And also you can see here on the first event that this was the 5,000 mile service. We did opt to get the service plan when we got my motorcycle, and it is definitely 100% recommended, especially if you're not the type that knows how to work on motorcycles and things of that sort. Depending on the situation, you should be 100% covered until that our policy is over. As of right now, mine will be over in 2025, but I think I can do an extended warranty. So we're gonna weigh in on those options and see what we can do, because it's definitely something that's good for situations like what had happened yesterday. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.